Hey everyone, today we're diving into the future of military technology. Imagine a weapon that can take down drones swiftly and efficiently without breaking the bank. Well, that's exactly what military engineers are working on. Compact laser weapons with replaceable magazines for quick reloading. Traditionally, taking down drones with air defense systems has been costly. Imagine having to use a missile worth hundreds of thousands of dollars just to shoot down a drone worth a fraction of that. It's simply not sustainable. That's why military engineers are turning to laser weapons. They're cheaper to operate and can fire continuously with a good power supply. But here's the catch. High-energy lasers require a lot of electricity and generate a ton of heat. Cooling them down efficiently has been a challenge. That's where the idea of interchangeable magazines comes in. Instead of bullets, these magazines contain charged batteries. When one runs out, it can be quickly swapped for another. This not only solves the cooling issue but also eliminates the need for a large, bulky power source. These magazines will limit the number of shots fired, but they're a game changer for compact laser weapons. They'll weigh as little as 9 kilograms and power a laser installation with up to 20 kilowatts of power. While not as potent as larger laser systems, they're perfect for taking down small drones. Ian Boyd, director of the Center for Homeland Security Initiatives at the University of Colorado, sees this as a potential game changer. He believes that if successful, this project could revolutionize the use of laser systems, making them more mobile and adaptable to different platforms. So, the future of military defense might just be in these compact laser weapons. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development.